Hey guys, so I thought I would do the present perfect today. Tom. Honestly, I wish that they would change his name. Tom. It's always Tom. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. He has lost his key. He lost it recently, and he still doesn't have it. Have, has, lost is the present perfect simple. I, we, they, you, have, I've, etc. Finished, lost, done, been. The present perfect simple is have, has, plus past participle. The past participle often ends in ed. Finished, decided, etc. But many important verbs are irregular, lost, done, written, etc. When we say that something has happened, this is usually new information. Ow, I've cut my finger. The road is closed. There has been, an accident. From the news, new information. Police have arrested 2 men in connection with the robbery. When we use the present perfect, there is a connection with now. The action in the past has a result now. Where's your key? I don't know. I've lost it. I don't have it now. He told me his name, but I've forgotten it. I can't remember it now. Is Sally here? No, she's gone out. She is out now. I can't find my bag. Have you seen it? Do you know where it is now? Note the difference between gone to and been to. James is on holiday. He has gone to Italy. He is there now or on his way there. Jane is back home now. She's been to Italy. She has now come back. You can use the present perfect with just, already, and yet. Just a short time ago. Are you hungry? No, I've just had lunch. Hello. Have you just arrived? We use already to say that something happened sooner than expected. Don't forget to pay your electricity bill. I've already paid it. What time is Mark leaving? He's already left. Yet. Until now. Yet shows that the speaker is expecting something to happen. Use yet only in questions and negative sentences. Has it stopped raining yet? I've written the email, but I haven't sent it yet.